Hi there. What's going on, everybody? I hope you are doing good. So, in addition of continuing that series, which is for libraries, we will today discuss about the Matplotlib, the visualization libraries. Let's see what ChatGPT will say about that this library. Okay. So, I will just type what is Matplotlib. Enter. How fast it is generating the response here. So good. So that was one thing for knowing anything. You can go here and take a reference of ChatGPT also. In free version, you will get all the answers. So let me read this. Matplotlib is a powerful data visualization Python library. Okay, it provides a wide range of tools for creating high quality publication ready plots, charts, and figures in various formats. Matplotlib was created by John D. Hunter in 2003 and it is one of the most widely and visualization library in the space scientific Python community. Using this library, you can plot, creating a variety of plots, including line plot, scatter plots, bar plot, histogram, many more. It is also support customization of the plot's appearance, including colors, markers, labels, fonts, and output your plots in various formats such as PNG, PD, PDF, SVG, and many more. You can save that plots in your local disk or your space. Let's search in Google what it will say. Like matplot. Okay, enter. Sorry. Hey, what is that's why I prefer Google first. Yes. So you will get here one more definition from Wikipedia. So that is Matplotlib is a plotting library for the Python programming language and its numerical mathematic extension NumPy. Look here. Python library of Python and its numerical extension NumPy. It provides an object-oriented API for embedding plots into applications using general purpose GUI graphical user interface toolkit like tkinter, Wax Python, QtPy, or GTK. So it created on 20 years ago, on 2003, and it has its own license, friends. And only 32 days ago it got updated, and it is written in only Python. That's why we vastly or widely use this library for visualization. Though we have features for visualizing or plotting the graphs in NumPy and Pandas also, and instead of having of that also we use this visualization library. What happens, friends, in while doing any project, and if you get any kind of structural or data frame kind of data in Excel CSV format, so you need to explore the data. So every and each and every time you cannot use statistics softwares for using that. So you can, what you can do, you can use library there. So that library will support you like pandas, numpy, and this matplotlib. So like you will feel, we have one good extension I will teach you in next video, that is Seaborn, which is a wrapper of this matplotlib on top of this library. Okay, so let's explore this library first. So this is our interface, the first graphical user interface of this library. Here you will get getting started, examples, reference, cheat sheet, also documentation. So we consider about this documentation always. So here we have to give, you will get these things here also. So from here, Matplotlib is visualization with Python. Means in Python language, in data science community, we use mostly Matplotlib for visualization. For this purpose, I have created one playlist for visualizing, which is in two parts. In EDA list, you can go and prefer how to make plots, how to make graphs there, how to visualize data. You will get all the things here. We are just exploring here how to read the documentation and how to understand the plot, and in which problem, which kind of problem you should use which kind of plots. That's how we use, uh, that's why we are exploring this. After so many days, I have come here, probably 60 or 70 days before I had opened this. So let's go in plot type. So he will you will see here 4 or 5 kinds of plots, like basic plot, and we will read here about plot of array and fields, stats plot, unstructured coordinate plots, and 3D plots. So in basic plots, friends, you will get plots, xy plot and scatter plot, bar plot, stamp plot, step plot, fill underscore between plot, stack plot also. But plots for array in field, if you will get in second type of plots, you will get this kind of plots like barb plot, it is here, quiver plot, mm, counter plot. These we use in advanced machine learning concepts, friends. In static plot, basically we use in machine learning only, basic machine learning for data visualization purpose. Like we have one column or array kind of data, or 2D or data frame, we can use this histogram, bar plot, error plot, violin plot, event plot, hist plot, hexagon plot, pie plot. These plots we use there. So like that, I'm showing just thing. If you want to know how it will work, just click on that and you will get here code, complete code of that. So that's why I'm showing, giving you reference first. You can plot, you can go in any plot and get the code how to implement it. Just copy it, and uh, you can see here its implementation. Like in uh, previous I have shown you this numpy. Okay, so here you can go and see any kind of things from here, and you can download this PDF example also for this, है means for guidance purpose you can download the all the documentation, but there is no need of downloading that documentation. So in examples you will get, oh sorry, in plots we were exploring. So these are advanced plots. We this plot we use for gradient descent visualization, and this plot we use for comparing the data in the x and y axis and z axis. Like that you can prefer, and if you want how it will, it can make, then you can go from this code. Like let me show you. I'm pressing Control Alt and T for opening my command prompt. I will type here KYP Peter notebook, and I will do Python. Okay, here in YouTube I will go in libraries. Under library I will create here one new uh, file, matplotlib, enter, and just I will copy this. Just I will copy from here, and I will go here, and just I will do this, and control enter. You can see this. Okay, like that you can plot any plot, and you can visualize that. Like if you want this one, go take, get one new cell here, paste it, just enter, like that. So here you can use our own data set, and you can use that for which purpose, which plot is using. You can watch that also. In examples you will go there, you will explore all the plots here, like bar and the other plots, like this. So for lines you can get here the line graphs and all the details about that graph when we can use that. You can search easily in internet for bar color demo. You can take this demo here and you can visualize this and you can learn this easily. While doing EDA, you need to know how to plot the graph. It's very cup of tea. I have made two lectures for this. Go in EDA series and watch that. Histogram you can use, crystal graph, cap style you can use, this kind of things. And many more, like I will show you for text, for images, contour plots, and for image data set we can we use these plots here. Or for subplots and figures, so we use this one. Oftenly we use, mostly we use these plots for uh, exploring the time series data set. Pie plots and polar plots you can use. We have these different size, 12 kind, 10 types of pie charts here. For text or label data you can use this, visualize that, and you can measure the frequency also using these graphs. Each and every graphs is saying something to you. So these are the uh, 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 graphs, okay. And plots modules you can see from here. Colors you can see, you can get the colors. If you will, if you want to add some animations, your animation plots, you can use this plot also. Like if you want to see, just I can show you that thing in data science. I think they are using this thing where they will use. I will show you. Wait. Lot of things are there. Lot of things. Oh no, I should show you. I'm okay. Copied this and I'll go here, paste and hit shift. This you can see. Okay, like that you can use this thing, no? Hmm? Yeah. Then go, and if you want to learn that tutorial, you can take a tutorial from here. So how to add colors, how to make advanced graphs, how to make intermediate graphs, which graph is suitable for text, what are the toolkits, what are the provisionals for that, you can take from here. Like if you will explain that introductory, so you will get this many plots, and these are the intermediate plots, here advanced plots, color combinations which you can play, and text and toolkits you can play on that. And just go and refer that Matplotlib documentation from here. Just install this library, copy it and install it and use it. That's it. I wanted to give you this brief introduction about this plot. Next we will learn about a wrapper library, that is wrapper of Matplotlib in wrapper of Python in that Matplotlib. Which library? That is Seaborn. Okay, bye. Until then, take care.